Okay, good morning, everybody. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Today, tonight I'm going to show us how to install your CapCut on your system. So, the first thing I would like us to do is to go to our Chrome browser, go to your Chrome browser, go to a new tab. When I get to a new tab, just search for CapCut download. So it's going to direct you to this place, this first link. This is where you are going to download the main one. Or better still, I'm trying to check if you are going to find one that is going to download. But if you click on the first link, it's going to download in a way whereby you are still going to immediately start to download it. So with this, you can just download it and install it automatically. I will copy this link. Copy this link and add it to the description button. So immediately you get to the description. As you are watching this video, go to the description button, description section. You will see the link on it. You will see the link to download it. So you can easily download it there. So let's see what you have. Let me show you what we want to download. What we want to download is this first one. This one. We want something like this. This is what we want. Something like this. Sorry. This is what we want. We want this. So if I download this one, is 2.2 MB. If I download this, I will be needing another data to install it. So that's why I'm trying to look for alternative I will use. So let's see what you have here. This one should work. And you can also download it on your phone. So after you finish downloading it on your phone, you send it to your system. Start your work. So what you have when you click the download, let's see what happens. Free download. Not taking me to external websites. So open link in your tab. I'm trying every possible way where this is going to work. So if it's not working, then I think we have to go and make use of normal way. I'm going to make use of the normal way to download. So we are going to go to the first, which is download CapCut. Which is this one, first one. That's where we're going to be downloading this. So you're going to download. This thing we download. So after this one has been downloaded, just double click on it to install. I have it under my download folder. Double click on it to install. So then let's see what you have. Let's click yes over here. Let's see what you have next. CapCut is running. Please go to close CapCut. What happened was that I have one of my CapCuts. I have a CapCut on this system already, so it's running, and I cannot run another one again. Immediately that one that has been downloaded, just double click on it. It's going to load a section for you. Loading the section, just click on start. So immediately you click on start. Make sure you are where a good network is. So you follow the step, then you're good to go. Immediately after those things load from 1% to 100%. Then you are perfect. But if your network is not good enough, sometimes it might reach some certain percentage and it starts all over again. But make sure you are aware there is a good network. So I will advise most of us to start at night. Start downloading it at night. If you want to download only at night. And if I'm able to get the exact software, I will I will upload it to my Google Drive, share a link also, and I will let you know immediately I share the link. So you just install directly from there. So do have to be careful. Thank you.